Jharkhand, ऐसे आधे घंटे का MSP से Delhi, विशेष मेहमान सर पंजाब से Yes sir, yes sir. Hi, good morning sir, I from myself. नमस्कार सर, आजाद सर है?
नमस्कार कृष्णा जी, नमस्कार मेरे भाई।
आज हम यूएस से कनेक्ट हो गए हैं।
यस यस यस, वी आर इन ग्रुप।
डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। मैं सबसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, अगर किसी का अनम्यूट है तो प्लीज आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप म्यूट कर लीजिए, बिकॉज गलती से हमारे जो आज के को होस्ट थे वो इस मीटिंग से ऑटोमेटिकली लेफ्ट हो गए ड्यू टू सम टेक्निकल रीजन। और
मैं सुमन गुप्ता।
सुमन जी
सर गुड इवनिंग।
सुमन जी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही मुझे। आप एक बार अनम्यूट कीजिए।
जी सर, अब मिल रहा है आपको मेरा वॉइस?
जी
सर, 2 डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं मेरी फीमेल, और वो लोग अभी एंटर नहीं कर पा रही हैं अंदर।
तो जी उस मैसेज में ये था कि बेसिकली इस मीटिंग में 500 लोगों की कैपेसिटी है हमारी।
हाँ जी।
अभी तो अगर कुछ लोग अगर लेफ्ट होंगे तभी ऐड आ पाएंगे।
नहीं, वो तो तब से ही ट्राई कर रही हैं।
सुमित जी, जितेश है। सुमित भाई, आप मुझे को-होस्ट बना दो, आई विल हैंडल एवरीथिंग।
Okay, we'll go smooth. That is it, right? Thank you so much.
हेलो सुमन जी, प्लीज नेटवर्क कनेक्शन चेक करवा लीजिए आप उनका। बाकी तो ओवरऑल यहाँ पे अभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स पेंडिंग है।
अच्छा ठीक है, लेट मी चेक।
305 हुआ है, 305।
या लेट मी चेक नरेश जी।
हाँ, थैंक यू सो मच सुमित जी। नाउ आई विल हैंडल।
So very good morning again dear friends। दोस्तों, जैसा आप सब जानते हैं कि आज की जो हमारी मीटिंग है इसका पर्पस है, आज हमने यूएस के कॉम्पनसेशन प्लान को समझना है और आज हमने समझना है कि यूएस के अंदर हम इंडस वीवा बिजनेस को किस तरह से बिल्ड कर सकते हैं। एंड आई नो दैट यू ऑल आर वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड टू नो अबाउट दैट, और आप सब लोग जानना चाहते हैं कि इंडस वीवा यूएस में किस तरह से बिल्ड हो रही है और किस तरह से आप इंडस वीवा को यूएस में बिल्ड कर सकते हैं। तो आप में से कितने लोग हैं जो सच में चाहते हैं कि वो इंडस वीवा के ग्लोबल लीडर बने? सिर्फ इस तरह से दिखा दीजिए मुझे, ग्लोबल लीडर बने। वंडरफुल वंडरफुल। तो इसे बोलते हैं एग्जैक्टली लीडरशिप। तो दोस्तों आज की इस प्रेजेंटेशन के दो पार्ट रहेंगे, देयर विल बी टू पार्ट्स। नंबर 1 मैं आज आपके सामने शेयर करूंगा इंडस वीवा यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स यूएस से प्रेजेंटेशन, जिसमें मैं आपके साथ बात करूंगा इंडस वीवा के बारे में, आयुर्वेद के बारे में, और मैं बात करूंगा वहां के कॉम्पनसेशन प्लान के बारे में। इसके बाद एक बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज है आप लोगों के लिए। इसके बाद का जो सरप्राइज है वो ऑलमोस्ट लोगों को पता है कि आज इस मीटिंग के बाद जो हमारे चीफ गेस्ट हैं वो आप सबसे मिलने आ रहे हैं, और वो है हमारे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के कंट्री हेड मिस्टर इब्दुल्ला शरीफ, और वो आपसे बात करेंगे यूएस की सारी जो चीजें होनी है और यूएस की किस तरह से इंडस वीवा के आप लोग कर रहे हैं और आपको किस तरह से वहां पर बिजनेस को बिल्ड सपोर्ट मिलेगी। सो should we start?
Yes, sir.
Should we start? So thank you so much again everyone.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
आप म्यूट कर दीजिए। सो दोस्तों अभी मैं आपके सामने एक स्क्रीन को शेयर करूंगा और उस स्क्रीन में मैं आपके साथ प्रेजेंटेशन को शेयर करूंगा कि इंडस वीवा यूएस की जो हमारी पीपीटी है इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान हम किस तरह से अपने दोस्तों को, अपने रिलेटिव्स को जो यूएस में बैठे हैं उनको प्रेजेंटेशन दे सकते हैं। सो नाउ विल स्टार्ट द प्रेजेंटेशन। तो जस्ट फोकस कर लीजिए उस पीपीटी के ऊपर, क्योंकि उसके बाद आपकी मुलाकात मैं करवाने वाला हूँ हमारे बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट कंट्री हेड मिस्टर इब्दुल्ला शरीफ से। सो जस्ट 1 सेकंड।
भाई कर गया और क्या हुआ?
आप लोगों के सामने स्क्रीन आ रही है फ्रेंड्स?
हाँ सुमित भाई दिख रहा है।
ऑलराइट,
यस
आपको स्क्रीन दिख रही है कि मैं दिख रहा हूँ, ये बताइए।
हेलो
यस सर
जी सर दिख रही है
जितेश जी,
सुमित जी हेलो
जी जी जी
सुमित जी आप और सुमित जी
जी
मैं एक चीज बताना चाह रहा हूँ। आप और मैं बात करेंगे, आप बाकी को, मैं सबको म्यूट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि अगर हम सबसे पूछेंगे तो 500 लोग में से 50 लोग तो बोल ही देंगे और फिर डिस्टर्बेंस चालू हो जाएगी। आप सिर्फ मेरे से पूछिए, जितेश करके पूछिए, मैं आपको बता दूंगा कि चल रहा है सब कुछ, नहीं चल रहा है, और मैं आप सबको म्यूट कर रहा हूँ आपको छोड़कर। अब कोई अनम्यूट हो पाएगा आपको। ओके
इस आज की इस डिजिटल डीओपी जो हमने स्पेशल अपने यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में जो हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स इंडिया से बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए रखी है, और जितने भी हमारे दोस्त इस मीटिंग में ज्वाइन नहीं हो पाए हैं मैं उनको अश्योर करता हूं कि इस मीटिंग की रिकॉर्डिंग उन तक पहुंच जाएगी और ये सारी मीटिंग को देख पाएंगे। जितेश भाई रिकॉर्डिंग को ऑन कर दीजिए एक बार आप।
रिकॉर्डिंग को तो आप ही ऑन कर सकते हैं।
ओके, आई विल ऑन द रिकॉर्डिंग। ओके सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीवा अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रेजेंटेशन आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करता हूं मैं अभी यूएस को लेकर, राइट? चलिए ये रिमोट कंट्रोल, या चलिए ये एक बेसिक प्रेजेंटेशन है जो आजकल हम इंडिया में रन कर रहे हैं, बट इस एज पर द वाइब्रेंट वीवा सिस्टम हमें प्रेजेंटेशन प्रॉपर सिस्टम से देनी है आप लोगों को, क्योंकि जिस तरह से हम यूएस में आज की डेट में लॉकडाउन के दौरान अपने जितने भी यूएस में जो हमारे दोस्त हैं, हमारे रिलेटिव्स हैं जिनको हम प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं, उसी तरह से हम इंडिया में भी प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं, उसी तरह से हम यूएस में भी प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं। सो हमारी जो पहली स्लाइड है, have you ever thought how your future and of your friends would be after the lockdown? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि आपका, आपके दोस्तों का, आपके नोन लोगों का फ्यूचर लॉकडाउन के बाद क्या होने वाला है? क्योंकि लॉकडाउन के दौरान हम ऑलमोस्ट बहुत ज्यादा पीछे जाते जा रहे हैं इकोनॉमी वाइज, राइट? जॉब लॉसेस की बात करें तो 47 मिलियन पीपल विल लूज देयर जॉब्स परमानेंटली। ये डेटास आपके सामने डेली न्यूज़पेपर्स, इंटरनेट के थ्रू आपके पास बहुत सारे डिजिटल सोर्सेस के थ्रू आ रहे हैं, और ये डेटा बिल्कुल सही है कि 47 मिलियन पीपल विल लूज देयर जॉब्स परमानेंटली। 20 million more working in 20 million more working in jobs are at a high risk of, it is basically देखा जाए तो 20 मिलियन से भी ज्यादा लोग जो आज की डेट में जॉब कर रहे हैं वो भी हाई रिस्क में है, क्योंकि उनको भी इश्यूज आ सकते हैं फ्यूचर में। अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट की हम बात करें तो ये 32% को हिट करना जा रहा है आने वाले टाइम में। Nobody will get a salary hike for this year। देखिए ये तो सच है कि इकोनॉमी काफी पीछे जाती जा रही है। जैसे हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने बोला था कि अगर 21 दिन का लॉकडाउन नहीं किया तो देश 21 साल पीछे जा सकता है। लेकिन अगर मैं डेटास को समझूं और मैं डेटास की बात करूं तो यस, ये सच्चाई है कि जितना लंबा लॉकडाउन होता जा रहा है, कहीं ना कहीं हम कई साल पीछे जाते जा रहे हैं। लेकिन क्या हमारे खर्चे कम होंगे? क्या लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस कम होंगे? क्या स्कूल की फीस नहीं देनी पड़ेगी? क्या घरों की ईएमआई 3 महीने बाद लोगों को नहीं देनी पड़ेगी? क्या बाकी खर्चे रुकेंगे? इनकम रुक सकती है लेकिन खर्चे नहीं रुक सकते। नो, ये जिदेश में कोई ना बीच में
भाई आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
आपकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है। और अभी मैं बाकी लोगों के लिए बता दूं, जितने लोग मुझे सवाल जवाब कर रहे हैं, 500 लोग इसमें पूरे आ चुके हैं और इसके अलावा और लोग नहीं आ सकते हैं। मुझे पता है लगभग 80-90 लोग वेट कर रहे हैं। जब तक कोई बाहर नहीं निकलेगा वो ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकता।
जितेश भाई, लेकिन एक चीज क्या हो रही है यहाँ पर, मेरा रिमोट ना कोई जैसे कंट्रोल कर रहा हूँ जैसा लग रहा है।
आपका रिमोट? अच्छा, एक सुमित भाई, ये काम करो, आप ना मुझे होस्ट बना दो, आप को होस्ट हो जाओगे ऑटोमेटिकली। मेक मी होस्ट, आई विल हैंडल एवरीथिंग।
ओके,
थैंक यू। अब आप कीजिए। आपको सुमित भाई कुछ लिखने का काम भी करना है?
नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
डन डन डन, तो मैं सब कुछ ब्लॉक कर रहा हूँ।
नेक्स्ट स्लाइड कर लीजिए जितेश भाई, इसका भी
स्लाइड्स तो आप ही चेंज करेंगे।
स्लाइड ही तो चेंज नहीं हो रही यहाँ पे।
नहीं तो आप एक काम, रुकिए,
कुछ लॉक हुआ यार स्लाइड्स में।
लॉक नहीं, कभी कभी क्या होता है, ऊपर एक सेकंड रुकिए,
ठीक है, हो गया।
आ गई, हो गया ना? डन।
See, today economic condition is a result of the actions you did in the past। ये बिल्कुल सच है कि आज जो भी हमारी इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन है वो हमारे पास्ट, यानी आज से लगभग 2, 3, 4 साल पहले जो भी हमने डिसीजंस लिए थे, जिस तरह से भी हम लोगों ने अपनी लाइफ में परफॉर्म किया था, उसी की वजह से और उसी का रिजल्ट है जो भी आज हम हैं, राइट? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो फ्यूचर में हमारी इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन होने वाली है वो हमारे करंट, यानी हमारा जो प्रेजेंट जो हमारी सिचुएशन है, उसके जो परफॉर्मेंस है, उसके जो डिसीजंस है, उसी की वजह से होने वाली है। नाउ मेनी ग्लोबल जायंट्स लाइक जनरल इलेक्ट्रिक, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, HP, FedEx, Google, etc. are founded during recession। ऐसा नहीं है कि रिसेशन में सब कुछ डाउन जाता है। रिसेशन में अगर अर्थव्यवस्था जब डाउन जाती है, हमारी इकोनॉमी जब डाउन जाती है पूरी दुनिया की किसी भी कंट्री की, तो ऐसा नहीं होता कि सब कुछ डाउन जाता है। अगर कुछ बिजनेसेस डाउन जाते हैं या कुछ बिजनेसेस अगर ड्रॉप होते हैं तो बहुत सारे बिजनेस फ्लोरिश भी होते हैं, बहुत सारे बिजनेस बड़े भी बनते हैं। आपके सामने ये एग्जांपल है, गूगल का, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का, एचपी का, हयात का, फेडेक्स का, ऐसे बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज डेवलप हुई है रिसेशन के टाइम पे। सी, इफ यू कैन स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस बाय सिटिंग एट होम without any investment and you can carry it forward after the lockdown as a part time or full time, why don't you consider? देखिए सिंपल सी बात है, आज हम सब घर पे बैठे हैं और अभी ये नहीं पता कि कितने और दिन हम घर पे बैठने वाले हैं, लेकिन अगर इस दौरान हमें कोई ऐसा बिजनेस मिल जाए कि जिसे हमें बिना इन्वेस्टमेंट के हम बिल्ड कर सकें और घर पर बैठकर बिल्ड कर सकें, और जब ये लॉकडाउन खुलेगा तो हम पार्ट टाइम या फुल टाइम कैसे भी अपने उस बिजनेस को कैरी कर सकते हैं, ये हमारे ऊपर निर्भर करेगा। Right now, need of the hour is immunity and preventive health supplements made as per advanced Ayurvedic principle. आप सब जानते हैं कि जिन्हें हेल्थ के बारे में बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं था, जो कुछ भी नहीं जानते थे हेल्थ के बारे में, आज उन घरों में भी बात चल रही है कि इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए, यानी रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए। और आज एक एक इंसान इस पूरी दुनिया का जान चुका है कि जिनकी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग है उन पर बहुत सारी बड़ी बड़ी इश्यूज उनके साथ हेल्थ के नहीं आ सकते। राइट नाउ समझने वाली बात यह है कि व्हाट इज एडवांस आयुर्वेदा, व्हाट इज एडवांस आयुर्वेदा। मैं आपको बिल्कुल फंडामेंटली क्लियर करता हूँ व्हाट इज एडवांस आयुर्वेदा। आंवला एक फ्रूट है बेसिकली, जो एक बहुत बढ़िया सोर्स है विटामिन सी का। आप आंवले का जूस अगर आप पी लेते हैं तो आप आयुर्वेदा के प्रिंसिपल्स को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, और आयुर्वेदा के हिसाब से आंवला पीना अच्छी बात है। लेकिन अगर आप उस पर्टिकुलर आंवले के अंदर से जो उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट है, जो उसके अंदर आयरन होता है, जो उसके अंदर विटामिन सी होता है, उसको जब एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं, राइट, तो तब वो बन जाता है मॉलिक्यूलर बेस्ड एडवांस्ड आयुर्वेदा। तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर मॉडर्न साइंस और एडवांस आयुर्वेदा की। So friends, you can start your own community commerce business with Indus Viva Health Sciences by sitting at home. Opening a virtual office in our website is all that it takes. Now, United States में, if you want to start a business in United States, all you want is social security number, जो जैसे इंडिया में हमारे पास आधार कार्ड होता है, वैसे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में होता है सोशल सिक्योरिटी नंबर, जो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, और आपको चाहिए आपकी बैंक डिटेल्स, जो यूएस के अंदर आपकी बैंक डिटेल्स है, आपको वो चाहिए। तो ये दो चीजें चाहिए आपको यूएस के अंदर बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने के लिए। थोड़ा सा कंपनी के बारे में जानते हैं। इनफैक्ट मैं यहाँ पर बहुत डिटेल में बात नहीं करूंगा, बिकॉज हम कंपनी के बारे में हम सब लोग जानते हैं। Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited, established in 2014, headquartered at Viva Tower, our own office। ये सब चीजें आप जानते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें मैं बिल्कुल आपका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा, बिकॉज इस कंपनी के बारे में, इसकी जो ग्रोथ रेट है, इसकी जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कैपेसिटी है, या हम जीएमपी सर्टिफाइड है, ये सब चीजें मैं बात नहीं करूंगा। मैं सीधा बात आऊंगा हमारे प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर। फ्रेंड्स, आपके सामने अभी आया है ये प्रोडक्ट, जिसका नाम है आयुर्वेद। यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में, यूएसए के अंदर हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है उसका नाम है आयुर्वेद। जैसे आईफोन 11 है और आईफोन 11 प्रो, तो आप यही कह सकते हैं कि आई पल्स और आई पल्स इस तरह का प्रोडक्ट है दोस्तों। आयुर्वेद इट इज रिसर्च एंड डेवलप ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट आर इन टेक्निकल कोलैबोरेशन विद बायोएक्टिव जापान टोक्यो। जैसे हमारा आईपल्स जो इंडिया में है वो जापान में फॉर्मुलेट किया जाता है एज पर जापानीज स्टैंडर्ड्स, ऐसे ही आयुर्वेद भी जापान में ही डेवलप किया जाता है एज पर जापानीज स्टैंडर्ड्स। Our product is scientifically validated and reports are available on the website। वो इसकी जो सारी रिपोर्ट्स हैं वो हमारी वेबसाइट पर सब अवेलेबल है, यूएस की वेबसाइट पर आयुर्वेद की रिपोर्ट्स। Now, आयुर्वेद है क्या बेसिकली? आयुर्वेद is an immunity booster formulated as per Ayurvedic principle, which is validated by modern science and technology। दोस्तों, ये 5000 साल पहले के जो ग्रंथ हैं, जो बुक्स हैं, या जो आयुर्वेद के ऊपर जो बुक्स लिखी गई है 5000 साल पहले, इस स्केच से आप ड्राइंग मत बनाइए, मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है। थैंक यू सो मच। राइट, सो जो 5000 साल पहले बुक्स लिखी गई है, उसमें जो हर्ब्स है, जो 50 टाइम टेस्टेड हर्बल इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं सोर्स फ्रॉम many books, उनमें से ये निकाले गए हैं और ये जो सपोर्ट करते हैं ये आपके ब्रेन हेल्थ पे सपोर्ट करता है, ये आपके गट हेल्थ पर सपोर्ट करते हैं, ये आपकी हार्ट लीवर हेल्थ पर सपोर्ट करते हैं, राइट। अब अगर हम बात करें तो आयुर्वेद बेसिकली एक बहुत रिच एंटीऑक्सीडेंट है जिसके अंदर बेरीज, फ्रूट्स और हर्ब्स का कॉम्बिनेशन है। यू नो, आयुर्वेद एक जैसे हमारा आई पल्स है, इंडिया में हमारा आई पल्स है, एक रिच सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन्स, रिच सोर्स ऑफ मिनरल्स, हाई एंटीऑक्सीडेंट, वेरी गुड इम्यून बूस्टर, ये ओवरऑल सारी चीजों में काम करता है। इट इज अ वंडरफुल एडवांस आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट। अब बात करते हैं हमारे प्रोडक्ट की एसआरपी क्या है। जैसे हमारे इंडिया में एमआरपी होती है, ऐसे ही यूएस के अंदर होती है एसआरपी, राइट। हमारे यहाँ पर जो आप ऑर्डर लेंगे मिनिमम 100 पीबी का ही ऑर्डर, यानी 4 बॉटल्स का ही ऑर्डर आप ले सकते हैं, राइट। तो इसकी अगर मैं एमआरपी की बात करूं तो $300 एमआरपी है इसकी 4 बॉटल्स की। पर बॉटल जो है वो 1000 ml की है, राइट। होम डिलीवरी अक्रॉस यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, आज पूरे यूएस के अंदर हमारी होम डिलीवरी है, राइट। So courier charge, courier charges and transaction charges are waived off. आज की डेट में कोई भी courier charges पूरे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में नहीं है और कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन चार्जेस पूरे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में नहीं है। ये दोनों चार्जेस अभी तक वेव्ड ऑफ है, बिल्कुल भी कंपनी चार्ज नहीं कर रही। और यूएस के जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं वहां तक होम डिलीवरी मिलती है आपको विद इन 4 वर्किंग डेज। बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी की बात करते हैं दोस्तों। Use our product and get convinced with its quality, right? Recommend this product and business opportunity to just 2 friends through a video call. आज की डेट में और खासकर यूएस का ट्रेंड है, इंडिया में फिर भी हम लोगों से मिलकर बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी को शेयर करते हैं, मगर यूएस में आज भी टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज होता है और आज से कई सालों से वहाँ वेबिनार्स, इस तरह की जूम मीटिंग, इस तरह के बहुत सारे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म यूज होते हैं और लोग वहां पर घर बैठे ही बिजनेस को बिल्ड करते हैं। आप भी अपने बहुत सारे जो दोस्त हैं आपके यूएस के अंदर, आप भी उनसे इस अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, जूम कॉल पे मीटिंग कर सकते हैं और उनको इंडस्ट्री व यूएस के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं। So build a distribution network through those 2 associates. अपने साथ अपने लेफ्ट में और अपने राइट में अगर आप 2 लोगों को स्पॉन्सर करते हैं, उनको सपोर्ट करते हुए, उनको गाइड करते हुए आप अपने बिजनेस को आगे बिल्ड कर सकते हैं यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के अंदर। नाउ इनकम हमारे यहाँ पे देयर आर 10 टाइप्स ऑफ इनकम, राइट। हमारा जो इंडिया और यूएस का प्लान है ये एकदम ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, सिर्फ मैं आपको करेंसी के ऊपर बात करूंगा। रिटेल प्रॉफिट, टॉप रिटेलर बोनस, बिजनेस ओपनिंग बोनस, स्टार रिवॉर्ड्स, ड्यूल टीम बोनस, रैंक मेंटेनेंस बोनस, रॉयल्टी, सिंगल टीम बोनस, सुपीरियर पूल टीम बोनस एंड सरप्राइज रिवॉर्ड प्रोग्राम, राइट। नाउ अब हम बात करते हैं इसकी क्वांटिटी की। आपको यूएस के अंदर 4 बॉटल जो 1000 ml की है उसका जो डीपी है ये हो गया $250। 4 प्रोडक्ट का डीपी हो गया $250 और इसके हो गए 100 पीवी, 100 पीवी। आई कॉफी बहुत जल्दी इस लॉकडाउन के बाद यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में लॉन्च होने वाली है, राइट। आई कॉफी सेम यहाँ जैसी पैकिंग है, सेम बॉक्स है, राइट। एक बॉक्स में 50 सैशे है, सेम प्राइस $250 डीपी है 4 बॉक्सेस का और 100 पीवी उसका आपको पॉइंट वैल्यू मिलता है। इसका जो एसआरपी है वो $300 है, राइट। और रिटेल प्रॉफिट 4 प्रोडक्ट पर आपको $50 पड़ता है। 4 प्रोडक्ट पर आपको जो रिटेल प्रॉफिट मिलता है वो मिलता है $50। बिजनेस ओपनिंग बोनस बिल्कुल जैसे इंडिया में है वैसे ही यूएस में है। सपोज आपके लेफ्ट में 200 पीवी से किसी ने पहला ऑर्डर दिया, आपके राइट में 200 पीवी से किसी ने पहला ऑर्डर दिया, सो आपको $20 ईच मिलेगा। लेट्स से एग्जांपल, लेफ्ट में जो आपके दोस्त है उन्होंने 100 पीवी से अपना पहला ऑर्डर दिया तो आपको उनसे $10 मिलेगा। राइट के जो आपके फ्रेंड है उन्होंने 200 पीवी का ऑर्डर दिया तो आपको उनसे $20 मिलेगा, राइट। बिजनेस ओपनिंग बोनस इज सेम एज इंडिया। क्विक स्टार बोनस जैसे हमारे इंडिया में ठीक वहां पर भी है, बट यहाँ पर अगर आप क्विक स्टार बनते हैं तो आपको $20 मिलेगा, राइट। और अगर आप क्विक स्टार 2 क्वालिफाई करते हैं तो आपको $40 मिलेगा, $40। सो अगर आप क्विक स्टार बनते हैं और आप क्विक स्टार बनाते हैं अपने उन 2 दोस्तों को तो आप $60 एडिशनल स्टार रिवॉर्ड अचीव करते हैं। ड्यूल टीम बोनस की बात करें जिसे हम टीम मैचिंग बोनस बोलते हैं, बिल्कुल सेम इंडिया की तरह है। फॉर एग्जांपल आपके लेफ्ट में 2000 ग्रुप वॉल्यूम आ गया, जीवी आ गया, और आपके राइट में 2000 जीवी आया, तो आपको जो मैचिंग मिलेगी उसका आपको मैचिंग मिला $400 सेम, राइट। ऐसे अगर आपके जैसे हमने यहाँ नीचे दिखाया है 600 जीबी आया, राइट पे 600 जीबी आया, तो आपको $120 मिलेगा। ऐसे अगर 1000 जीबी लेफ्ट में आया, 1000 जीबी राइट में आया, तो $200 मिलेगा। 2000 जीबी लेफ्ट में आया, 2000 जीबी राइट में आया, तो $400 आपको मिलेगा टीम मैचिंग बोनस। बिल्कुल सेम उसी तरह ये बाकी का जो बैलेंस रहेगा वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड रहेगा, जैसे हमारे इंडिया के प्लान में होता है, सेम कैरी फॉरवर्ड रहेगा, राइट। इसकी जो वीकली सीलिंग है वो है 25,000 जीबी लेफ्ट, 25,000 जीबी लेफ्ट एंड 25,000 जीबी राइट, राइट। और इसकी जो वीकली सीलिंग है वो है $5,000, $5,000, यानी आप $20,000 मंथली इस इनकम में अर्न कर सकते हैं, $5,000। अब आप देखिए $5,000 आज अगर आप यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की बात करें तो इट इज अ वेरी गुड इनकम। $20,000 वहां पर लोग अगर पार्ट टाइम भी करें, अगर वहां फुल टाइम भी करें, तो दे कैन लिव अ गुड लाइफ, दे कैन लिव अ वेरी गुड लाइफ, राइट। नाउ अब the advantage of imperative monthly person turnover ensures continuous earning even without the expansion of, जैसे हमारे हम इंडिया में बात करते हैं कि अगर आपके लेफ्ट और राइट में फॉर एग्जांपल अगर लेफ्ट में आपके 1000 लोग हैं जो सिर्फ 25 पीवी यानी 25 पीवी की परचेजिंग करते हैं, और आपके राइट में 1000 लोग हैं जो 25 पीवी का सिर्फ अपना पर्सनल परचेज करते हैं, तो आपको $5,000 का पे आउट वीकली आता है। और ये कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है फ्रेंड्स। यूएस के अंदर आज से 1 साल के बाद आपको $5,000 वीकली अर्न करने वाले कुछ लोग दिखेंगे, और जो अच्छे से बिल्ड कर रहे होंगे इस बिजनेस को, और वो कुछ लोग कोई और नहीं होंगे, वो आप ही की टीम के लोग होंगे, आप ही की लीडरशिप होगी वो सब, राइट। So far 48 people across the globe have earned more than 200,000 USD through this opportunity. आज की डेट में 48 से भी ज्यादा लोग हैं जो इस लेवल पर आ चुके हैं और $200,000 को अब तक क्रॉस कर चुके हैं। ये एक रिमार्केबल ग्रोथ है, और ये इंडस वीवा में पॉसिबल हो पा रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द गुड इंटेंशन, बिकॉज ऑफ द गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ द वंडरफुल बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी, because of vibrant Viva education system, and the best is leadership and the corporate team. इस सब का कॉम्बिनेशन इतना बढ़िया है जिसकी वजह से आज बहुत सारे लोग इंडस्ट्री में बहुत तेजी से बिजनेस को ग्रो कर रहे हैं। Now, so friends, यहाँ पर एक ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन मैंने आपके सामने दिया इंडस वीवा यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स का, इंडस वीवा यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स का। और अब मैं इस स्क्रीन को मैं यहाँ पर बंद करूंगा, और यहाँ पर जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर आपको जो समझना है सिंपल डॉलर और इंडियन करेंसी और डॉलर, इन दो चीजों को समझना है अपने करेंसी की, जो हमारे कैलकुलेशन है, राइट। इसके अलावा आपने कोई चीज समझना। अब मैं यहाँ पर आपके बीच में, बिकॉज मैं जानता हूँ कि आप में से बहुत सारे लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं इंडस वीवा यूएस को स्टार्ट करना, राइट। और आज की डेट में है और लोग डिजिटली बहुत सारे उनके कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं और डिजिटली अपने बिजनेस को बिल्ड कर रहे हैं। तो आज जिनके दोस्त, जिनके रिलेटिव्स, जिनके कुछ सोशल मीडिया के फ्रेंड्स यूएस में हैं, और आज की डेट में सबको एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी और सबको एक अच्छा कमाल का प्रोडक्ट चाहिए। Everyone required a good product, right? और इंडस वीवा आप सब जानते हैं बिकॉज आप इंडिया में यूज कर रहे हैं। आई पल्स तो सोचिए, आई वेद, मैंने बोला iPhone 11 और iPhone 11 Pro, ये डिफरेंस है आई पल्स और आई वेद में, राइट। सो मैं ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगा डियर फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि आज का जो हमारा सेशन है वो शुरू होता है इसके बाद। लेकिन एक चैलेंज है जितेश भाई, हमारे 500 पार्टिसिपेंट्स पूरे हो चुके हैं, बहुत सारे लोग वेटिंग में, उसमें से हमारे आज के कंट्री हेड, हमारे जो चीफ गेस्ट है वो भी वेटिंग में है। सो इसका
मैं काम करता हूँ ईश्वर जी, नहीं सॉरी सुमित भाई, आप
शरीफ सर जैसे ही एंट्री करेंगे, अभी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, 422 लोग आ चुके हैं, 5 लोग वेटिंग में हैं जिनको मैं एडमिट कर रहा हूँ, अब कोई वेटिंग में नहीं है ना।
तो
आप शरीफ सर से कहिए एंटर करें,
सर को
एंटर हो जाएंगे,
शरीफ सर को मैंने बोल दिया है एंटर होने के लिए और
एंटर कर दूंगा।
हाँ फ्रेंड्स, आई होप अपने घरों में सब लोग बैठे होंगे आराम से। ये सबसे बढ़िया टाइम है हमारे पास जिस पर डिजिटली आपस में बात करने का। और सबसे बढ़िया बात है कि हमारे जितने भी दोस्त हैं वो डिजिटली अपने बिजनेस को इंडिया में इतने अच्छे तरीके से बिल्ड कर रहे हैं। चारों तरफ डिजिटल वीओपीज हो रही है, इतने जबरदस्त तरीके से वीओपीज हो रही है। और अभी रिसेंटली आज वीडियो अनाउंस हो गई है, सो सैटरडे को फिर हमारी वीडियो है। देश जरूर रुका है, इंडस्ट्री वो रुकी नहीं, स्लो हुई है बस खाली, राइट। तो हम आज के इस 21st सेंचुरी के बिजनेस में है, तो आज हम डिजिटली इस बिजनेस को बिल्ड करते जा रहे हैं। और आज अच्छी बात क्या है कि इस जूम कॉल में आज हमारे साथ इंडिया, नेपाल और यूएस, बांग्लादेश, 4 देशों से दोस्त हमारे इस वक्त इस जूम कॉल के अंदर हैं। इसके अलावा कहीं है तो मुझे पता नहीं, पर ये 4 देशों के दोस्त मैं जानता हूँ हमारे साथ इस जूम कॉल पे है आज। सो आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट अवर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर इब्दुल्ला शरीफ, आवर कंट्री हेड इन फैक्ट, और मैं उनको अभी इनवाइट कर रहा हूँ। जितेश भाई आप बस ऐड कर लीजिएगा, राइट, मैं उनको इमीडिएटली कॉल कर रहा हूँ। सर he's just coming in a few seconds, in fact he's just coming in few seconds, कुछ seconds में हमारे शरीफ सर आ रहे हैं। और शरीफ सर से आप कोई भी तरह का, बट आपको जो भी सवाल करना, जितेश जी ध्यान देना कि तो भी कुछ भी पूछना है, उनको
भी हाथ उठाएगा,
कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं। और आपको शरीफ सर
इसको मैं म्यूट कर दूंगा।
यूएस में आपने किस तरह बिजनेस बिल्ड करना है, आपको क्या समझना चाहते हैं यूएस के बारे में, आप शरीफ सर से कुछ भी समझ सकते हैं। ही विल प्रॉपर्ली गाइड यू हाउ टू बिल्ड यूएस बिजनेस फ्रॉम हियर। जितेश जी देखिए शायद आ गए हैं शरीफ जी। और बाकी कुछ लोगों को भी आप ऐड कर दीजिए जितेश जी। अभी हमारे पास 15 लोगों की जगह है इसमें, जो लोग वेटिंग में है शरीफ जी के आने के बाद। शरीफ जी को दिखा रहा है दिस मीटिंग हैज रीच्ड मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स, ऐसा क्यों दिखा रहा है जितेश जी? शरीफ से नहीं, आप दोबारा ट्राई कीजिए रिफ्रेश करके, बिकॉज देयर इज अ स्पेस, आप आ सकते हैं शरीफ जी। जितेश जी, जितेश भाई,
म्यूट कर दिया सर, आप बताइए इसमें।
जितेश भाई मैं कह रहा हूँ कि शरीफ जी को ऐसा दिखा रहा है कि दिस मीटिंग हैज रीच्ड मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट, बट यहाँ पर दिखा रहा है कि हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है भी स्पेस।
अरे अभी 495 और 5 वेटिंग में है, मैंने एडमिट कर लिया है। 97 हो गए, 98 हो गए,
शरीफ
2
जी
बचे।
is now again trying, he's just again trying।
तो सभी को एडमिट करता हूँ जा रहा हूँ।
सभी को मत कीजिए, एक दो रहने दीजिए अभी, क्योंकि 498 ऑलरेडी 499 हो गए।
नहीं, उसमें क्या करता है ना, वो रोक देता है पीछे से।
शरीफ जी आ नहीं पा रहे जितेश भाई, he is unable to join the meeting।
मैं तो यहाँ से 497 and 3 are waiting, they will come। 500 पूरे हो गए। एक आप ट्राई करने को बोलिए, अब कोई वेटिंग में नहीं है।
लेकिन 500 तो हो गए, तो कैसे आएंगे वो?
कोई ना कोई तो बाहर निकलेगा, किसी ना किसी का अनस्टेबल है तो दे आर गोइंग आउट। अभी एक स्पेस खाली है, अभी कुछ लोग अंदर बाहर हो रहे हैं।
He's trying again, he's trying again। तब तक आप लोग पानी वानी पी लीजिए, आई चार्ज पी सकते हैं, पी लीजिए। आई कॉफी पीने, आई कॉफी पी लीजिए। Sharif sir is connected, I think he's saying connected। The meeting host will host। जितेश जी बिल्कुल इतना देर किए हुए।
Okay, done, which is very good। मुझे नहीं दिख रहे हैं। हाँ दिख ज्वाइनिंग, यस।
तो अनम्यूट कर देंगे सबको 1 मिनट के लिए, हम जब हम शरीफ से वेलकम करेंगे 1 मिनट के लिए, just for 1 minute।
Okay, चलो, you want to listen the noise?
Yes, we want to listen the noise as Indian side।
And Niyuk is trying his level best, and then welcome।
They are very eager to welcome you।
Sir, good morning। Good morning।
We are doing digitally in the US.
Yeah. So you're first time you did now.
Yeah, this is the first meeting we are doing in the US, and it has already reached the maximum capacity of 500. And when I was trying to log in, it was showing that you cannot join because already 500 participants are there already. So good to see, and it's a good beginning and a good start to see that we have already started the meeting with 500 participants. And hope all of you are doing safe and sound. Stay home, stay safe. Network marketing is a business which you can do sitting at your home. You can do on Zoom call, and you can do through a lot of using a lot of digital technology. So we have got a very good response in the United States, and already things are moving in the right pace. Products are getting shipped, and all of you know that US is currently, the epicenter of coronavirus and COVID-19 across the world. But still, I would like to salute the spirit of the citizens of the USA. Without even any kind of a strict order or enforcement not to go out of the home, but still they are responsible citizens. They are sitting at home. They are not venturing out unnecessarily. They are taking all necessary precautions. Now, as on today, I think more than 8 lakh cases have been reported in the US. But one by one, the curve is getting flattened and the curve is coming down. So let's hope for the best. And there is also a news that slowly, phase-wise, in the coming weeks, the relaxations are going to come here. The shipping is already working. As you know, our product is coming under the essential service. The shipping is already working. And overall, there is a very positive environment here. People are positive. People are fighting to get out of this as soon as possible. People are in a very positive mode and atmosphere to ensure that they are coming out of this epidemic in a very soon, very short time. So let's hope for the best. I know India is doing pretty well as of now. And compared to the US, there are very less cases reported in India. And this week, I think there are some relaxations going to give to some areas in India in the green zone and in the orange zone. Red zone will take a little more time. So let's hope for the best. Things are improving. Let's hope and pray that everything goes well. And wish you all of you all the best. So coming to US operations, I would like to highlight some very, very key points. What I'm getting repeated queries, the frequently asked questions what people are asking me. Indus Viva is a company from India. Okay, we are already operating in India from the past 6.5 years now, going to be 7 years very soon. And now we have started our US operations. Last year we came to USA, we set up our office, we started doing the required compliance to ensure that our operations is successful. Then whatever paperwork was there, we already completed it. Then we started manufacture the product in US. Now, as of now, we are selling one product in US, that is the iVed. Hopefully, in the coming days, we will be launching iCoffee also. But iCoffee, we will be starting to manufacture only once this COVID-19 issue is getting resolved and coming to a normalcy. Because unless and until that time, we will not be able to manufacture iCoffee as of now. So iVed is already there. And iVed is doing pretty well as of now. iVed, people who have used iVed are actually, having a good result, and they are very happy with the product. They are able to have a very good immune system. As all of you know, that those people who are using iPulse in India, you have a very good immune system as of now. And people who are using iVed also are experiencing good results, and they are very happy. Very good result. And some of his friends who even went and tested positive because they had already the symptoms, they went and tested and they turned out to be negative. So things are good as of now. So far so good. Things are moving in a very fast pace. So first of all, one question what I frequently get from our Indian distributors as well as the people who are starting the business in US is, we need the documentation or the FDA certificate for iVed. So for this, I would like to tell you one thing. iVed is a wellness product. It is not a medicine or a drug which needs a FDA approval. FDA means, all of you know, the Food and Drug Administration of USA. It is not required for iVed kind of a product. What is the basic requirement to sell iVed in the United States of America is, first of all, the product what we are bringing in from India, it is an Indian licensed product, and it has to be manufactured in a FDA registered facility. For those of you who have already purchased iVed in the US, you can see at the back of the box, the label, it is mentioned there, manufactured in FDA registered facility, and the registration number of the facility also is mentioned there. That is the only requirement what is required. iVed doesn't require any FDA approval. There are a lot of products of Dabur, of Himalaya, of Patanjali, which is being sold in a similar fashion in the US. The formulation is done in India, and they export the raw material, and they try to manufacture it in a US FDA facility here, and they sell it. A lot of Indian products are available. A lot of Indian Himalaya products are available. Patanjali products, like I told you, Dabur products are available in the wellness segment. Even Dabur Chyawanprash is available here, which has been manufactured locally in the US. that doesn't require any kind of a FDA approval. I hope I'm clear on this. So you can communicate with your prospects who are asking you, is there an FDA approved license for iWaid? No, it doesn't require iWaid to be a require an FDA approval. So it's just that it has to be manufactured in a US FDA registered facility, which is already been done. Okay, coming to the point number 2, shipping. Yes, all 50 states in the US, we are shipping it. You can place order. All these last 2 weeks, we were placing offline orders. Now you can also place online orders. That is, you can log into your virtual office. You can just go there. You can place order, and you can use your PayPal account if you have one, or you can use your credit card and debit card in order to place the order. Okay. So before placing an order, I would like to share the screen. I would request Mr. Jitesh or Mr. Sumit Batra to kindly give me the access to share the screen.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah. Rijosh, are you here? Are you connected, Rijosh, by any chance?
He can only raise hand.
Yeah, just send me a message. Just you can say, just send a text message. If you can see my screen, once you log into your back office, the first thing you need to do is you need to go and ensure that your personal details, whatever you have keyed in, your shipping address, your mobile number, your email ID is accurate. Because here in the US, zip code is mandatory for any order to be shipped or processed. Even when you try to place an online order, if your zip code is inaccurate, you cannot proceed with the billing because it will not calculate the tax. Because in every state in the US, the tax is different. In all the 50 states, the taxation is different. So your zip code and your address has to be perfect. See, now if you see the screen, you can see very clearly here, there is an edit option for the mobile, for the email ID, and for your display name. Only 3 options. Then you can click here, personal details. You can just go here and you can ensure that all your data is perfect. You can just edit it here, all these things. And you can ensure that your order is perfect, your address is perfect, your mobile number is perfect, because once you place an online order, you will be able to go ahead and place an online order only if your address is accurate. And once, let me go back to the dashboard. Okay, and many people are asking me some questions. My password is not working. So if your password is not working, you need to click this forgot password link. If you have saved the right mobile number, you will get an OTP, and based on that OTP, you can get edit. See, for example, now I will just try to reset the password here. See, when I once I click here, 452607. Okay. See here. I already received the OTP on my phone. So I will go ahead and I will enter the OTP. And my password is changed. Okay, similarly, if anybody of you are facing the password reset option, your password is not working, you can go to the forgot password and you can update it. Okay. Point number 2, if you are having an issue that you are not getting an OTP because your mobile number is not updated, then you can send a mail to usa@indusviva.com. We will reset the password and give it to you. Once your password is reset, you can go, and first thing you need to do is you can go and change your password. The second thing you need to do is you can go and change your mobile number and update your shipping details. Very, very important. Okay. So going ahead with more updates for you. Once you click place order, you can see on the screen, once you click place order, in the people who are registered in the USA, you select this and you go ahead with placing the order. Minimum 4 bottles for the first order. Minimum 4 bottles for the first order. You can make it 6, 8, 12, but in multiples of 4 only. In multiples of 4, automatically the tax will be calculated. This 250 USD is inclusive of shipping and taxes at the moment. It is inclusive of shipping and taxes. Once you click this, you can see automatically the amount is getting calculated. Then you can click what is the mode of shipping. You can also mention the time here, because in US there are 3 options: leave near the door, hand over to the apartment reception, call before delivery. You can select whichever option. You can click place order. It will show processing your order, and it will directly take you to the PayPal page, which is our payment gateway. Once it is taken to your PayPal gateway, you have 2 options. You can log into your PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, I request all the distributors in USA to make a PayPal account, which will actually give you a lot of comfort in making the payments, because we are planning to give you 2 options to pay your commission also. One, we will transfer the commission to your bank account, or you also have the option where we can transfer the money to you to your PayPal account, which you can use for frequent purchases also, which will help you a lot. And it is a very, very hassle-free system. And you don't have to share your bank account details also with us if you have a PayPal, because there is a lot of security concerns. People are not willing to share their SSN. I totally understand. It is a security issue, but rest assured your data is safe, because our database is protected and a safe website. It's a SSL is already valid on this. You can check. It is safe. Your data is safe with us, so you don't have to worry. But still, you can open a PayPal account, which will help you to ensure that you get the commissions paid into your PayPal account directly, and you can place order. If you have a PayPal account, you can click here, and you can mention your PayPal username and password, and you can just go ahead for placing your order if you have credit in your PayPal account. If you are not willing to do that, what you can do is you can go for a debit card or a credit card. You can mention the debit card and credit card. Please ensure that your shipping address and your address, what you are mentioning there, it is accurate. If your credit card billing address and this is not matching, some people are facing issue that it is not going through. So here, when you place an order, you have to ensure that whatever your credit card address is there, you have to mention it here. So once you mention all your details, your order will be processed, and immediately you will receive a notification. You will receive an SMS that your order is being processed. With the invoice details, you will already receive an email mentioning your tax details and all the shipping details. And within 3 business days, you will get your product delivered to your doorstep. What you can do is, once the order is processed, you can just go here, order status, and you can check here what is the orders, and you can see that it is being processed, and you can go ahead and download your invoice for yourself. So this is how a simple back office is working. And coming to the next option, here we have something called Vmail. You can see on my screen. This Vmail, most of the Indian distributors are familiar. If you have any queries, you can just directly compose a mail from this and send it across, and we will ensure that all your queries are being answered through this. You don't have to send a mail to us@indusviewer.com. From your own very virtual office, you can send us the queries, and you will get a revert immediately on this, instantly on this, on working days. So now in the US, like I told you, shipping is already going very well, and all leaders, you can start speaking to your people because of this COVID-19, and there is a little bit of lockdown. During this time, you can start speaking to people on the product. You can start speaking to people on the opportunity, because at this point of time, there is a lot of demand for the wellness supplements in the US market. I'll just show you some of the websites who are selling the vitamin C's. You can see here, those companies which are selling vitamin C's, already we are experiencing a large increase in orders, and some items will be temporarily out of stock. That is the situation here. Every wellness, you go to Walmart, there is no vitamin C available right now. So the wellness products demand is already increased in the US, and our product Ayurved, like Dr. Sumit Batra has already explained to you a little bit about Ayurved. You can also visit our website. In the website product tab, you can see that Dr. Balu is sharing a lot of information on the Ayurved with you. You can just download that video and you can start sending to people. And also, with regard to the compensation plan, also Dr. Sumit Batra might have already explained to you. If you have any queries, you can write us at usa@indusviva.com, and we will be more than happy to share with you the details if you have any queries on that. So now, that's all from me, and I would like to ask all of you to raise your question one by one. If you want to raise a question, you can just inform Mr. Jitesh, and he will unmute you, and you can ask the question. I'm very happy to answer any of the queries you have. Any of the queries if you have, I will be able to answer to your queries. So I'm open for questions now. If any of you have any questions, you can just let me know.
Thank you so much, Sharif sir. I will request, please type your question in that chat. That will be better.
Yeah, sure. You can type, and I will reply to you from voice. As soon as I see my questions, I will be able to reply. First question we received here is, good evening, sir. This is Swapna from Hyderabad. Hello, Swapna. How are you? Please update. Can we generate the link of that from which the people can directly enter their detail in the USA? Yes, you can go to our website and you can click my account. In my account, you can click the enroll button. Once you click the enroll button, they can on their own enter the details, and you just have to tell them the sponsor ID, and you just have to tell them the placement ID, right or left. Immediately they can sign up. Which documents are required for joining in the USA? Very good question. Social security number is required to join in USA, and bank account is required. If you want your commission to be paid to your bank account, you need to mention the bank account. If you have a PayPal account, we will directly pay for your PayPal account. Okay. Now, on this SSN number, I would like to clarify a few points. Those who are citizens, green card holders, it is a must for them that they have to mention their SSN account. Don't worry about the SSN. Like I told you, it is very safe with Indus Viva, and Indus Viva's database is hosted in US, and it is very safe. You don't have to worry about that. And even I received a suggestion, whenever you are mentioning the SSN number, there I'll be putting a note that your SSN code is secure with Indus Viva. I'll just put a note there so that people are able to see that. And bank account, like I told you, you can mention the bank account, or if you want to skip the bank account, you just mention a bank account, and you can use PayPal account, and we will try and pay you in the PayPal account. Which documents are required? SSN again, and bank account. These are the two. No need to upload your KYC. No need to upload your KYC. KYC is not mandatory in the US. KYC is not mandatory. You don't need to send us a scan copy of your KYC, and KYC verification is not mandatory here. And many questions I received from people. What if I am on H1B visa? Can I join? No. If you are a H1B, you are not allowed to earn any other income apart from your employer, who has employed you and who has offered you that H1B visa. Can my spouse join if I am on H1B? Yes, your spouse also cannot join unless and until she has got the H4 EAD, Employment Authorization Document. If she is having that one, she can join. And those of you who are on H1, it is very, very clear, because you are an Indian citizen. You can very well go ahead, sign up in India, and you can start sponsoring people in the US. You can start purchasing Ayurved in USA and start selling it. There is no restriction on that. You can start using the product also. You already have a PayPal account, go ahead, make purchase from the PayPal account, and we will already pay you from the PayPal account. Shrey, what is your question? You just have sent me, answer my question. I'm not able to see your question. If you can type your question once again, I'll be able to answer to you. Apart from SSS, what is the other document required? Nothing required. SSN and bank account, that's it. Can we mention of the benefits Ayurved similar to Ayurved? See, this is a very, very important question. Over-claiming is not allowed on the product here. Ayurved is only a wellness supplement, no cure. It is not a medicine. It will not help in any disease. It is only a wellness supplement. I hope everybody understand what exactly a wellness supplement can do. And iPulse and iVed are totally different products. There is no match in that. And iVed, like I will tell you, it is manufactured in compliance with the US standards. That is the only difference. And a lot of herbal ingredients, Ayurvedic ingredients has gone into iVed. If an Indian person is staying in USA and not having a social security number, then on which country he will be considered? Like I already answered this question, he can sign up in India and he can sponsor people in the US. He will get paid in India and he can buy and use the products in US. How can we convince any person in US? Very good question. When you are speaking to somebody in US for the first time, I would like to request you to take the help of your upline who's more experienced in giving a presentation. You can go on a Zoom call with him and your upline will going to explain to them, your leader is going to explain to them on the plan. 1 or 2 times your upline will help you and the third time onwards you can take it forward. Canada में business शुरू कर सकते हैं. Canada में अभी नहीं, we cannot do business in Canada as of now. But shipping will be possible. We can ship products to Canada. We can ship iVed to Canada. But apart from the 250 USD what we are charging, shipping to Canada will be on actuals. Whatever the shipping cost, we will let you know. You have to deposit that money and we'll ship the products to Canada.
शरीफ सर, यहाँ मैं छोटी सी एक बात पूछना चाहूंगा.
Yeah.
यूएस से अगर हम ऑर्डर देते हैं यहाँ से, तो क्या यूएस से प्रोडक्ट कनाडा शिप हो सकते हैं? बट
Yes.
टाइम लगेगा बस. That's it.
Yes. It will take maximum 5 working days to ship it to Canada. But whatever the actuals, the shipping charges, the distributor has to pay over and above the $250.
Whatever. ठीक है.
Yeah. Now Shrey is asking the question, do I need this? I'm 14. Yes, Shrey, very much you need this because you're 14. You know what's happening across the world. There is a lot of immune issues. So if you can use iVed, definitely you will be able to get a better immune system. We can place an order to India from USAID. Very good question. Yes. The next step, currently the US back office is already automated. The next process in the next 2 weeks, what we are going to give you an option is, you can place an order from USA to India and buy the Indian products. But for this, your first order should be from USA. If you are registered in USA, your first order should be in USA. Only the second order you can place in India. Do we need to deposit the money into US bank account before we can create a distributor ID? Not required. Creating an ID, Mr. Sukhinder Singh, not required to deposit money. Registration is absolutely free. You can enroll online, and when you are placing order, either you can pay online or you can transfer the money to our Bank of America account. When will be the reward program be finalized? Reward program is already finalized, Mr. Navdeep Sharma. You can get in touch with your upline and they will share with you the compensation plan or flip chart and you can go through that. It is already finalized. First order minimum quantity is 4. What about the second time? Second time also it's 4 because here the package is coming into 4 boxes and it will be a carton box. So we are shipping only 4 and it will be feasible for you to also order only 4. It looks like that from our credit card, we cannot order for someone else as it mismatches with the address. Yes, you can do that, but see there is an option, shipping address and billing address. Your billing address and your credit card address should match. The shipping address, it is not mandatory that it should match. Mr. Sumit Kaushik, this was for you. Mr. Jagjit Singh, my friend who is in USA, unable to reset the password because when I created his ID, I used his old mobile number. You can send a mail to usa@indusviva.com. Mention the ID number and we will reset and send you the password. How can we generate leads for the United States of America if I'm in India? I think this question is better you discuss with your upline. He will be able to help you a lot on this because he's already experienced in this industry. Vaibhav from Baroda, Gujarat. I want to ask, how is the commission process for Indian distributors while they build business in the USA? It is the exact same system like how you are getting paid in India. Whatever PV is generated in US, like how you are getting paid currently in India based on your, as per the compensation plan, you will get paid in the similar way. Also, place an order from Indian ID to USA. You can place, like I told you, 2 weeks it will take, and you can place an order from India to USA. There is no issue in that. iVed is the same benefits as iPulse. Yes, iVed is an upgraded version of iPulse and it is an advanced Ayurveda. A lead of mine could not complete mobile verification because the system did not accept it to send the OTP. You can try now, it is fixed. Because earlier some people were facing issues, now it is absolutely smooth and it is running. You can try now, Mr. Lakshmanan, yes. Ajay Singh, can Indian city distributors send iWay to USA? At Gautamela and the payment will be detected in the dollar. Yes. Once we are opening up the order option for Indian distributors to place an order in USA, you will be redirected to the PayPal page and you will mention your credit card details and whatever the price will be charged in USD or from your credit card account. Mr. Rampal, I have yesterday order process but gateway not working mode under ID features. Then I have NEFT transfer USA account to Viva account, and today I have already sent mail. Okay. So you will get a reply because when you placed an order yesterday daytime, it was midnight yesterday here. So now the people working here will look into your mail and they will try and respond to you. See, when you send a query from India to USA, please bear in mind to check your time. Assuming if you are trying to send it at 11 a.m. in the morning, then it will be night here. So you will get a definite reply. You wait for minimum 12 hours, and when you are sending a request at night, maybe at 10 a.m., 11 a.m., instantly you might get a reply. Maybe in 5 minutes or 10 minutes you might get a reply because that time is working hours here. So if you are sending in the daytime, the reply might be a little bit delayed because it is non-working hours. Sonia Kaushik, good morning, sir. Can we order for India and what will be the price? And also can the repurchase of one product, how can we split our order of 4 or more products to be shipped at different places? See, when you are placing order from USA to India, you can select whichever product you want and you can make individual orders. 2 iCoffee you want to send it to Kerala, 2 iCoffee you want to send it to Bangalore, 2 Pulse you want to send it to Delhi. You have to make different invoices. Neha, very good evening to you. This is Dr. Rigank. How many products can we order? In US, there is no limit for ordering any products. You can order as many as you want. Saifi, this is from Hassan from Hyderabad. Hassan from Hyderabad. I'm trying to log in Viva US website, but it is not opening. I did the password reset, but I'm not getting OTP. Maybe your mobile number is the issue. If you can send a mail to us@indusviva.com, we will sort out your password issues. As we place Ravikant Sharma, as we place ID in India, we have to put IFSC code and server automatic detect bank name and branch name. Same as applicable for US portal, like if you enter routing number, it is automatically detect the bank. Yes, we are working on it. There is some approvals required for that, and it will be up and running very soon. Mr. Sukhvinder Singh, do we need to deposit the money in our US bank account before? No, not required. Rijosh, hi Rijosh. I hope you are online. If Rijosh is there, I would like to Rijosh to share your experience of your wife and Mr. Jeevan, what you shared with me to all of them with regard to the testimony what you got from iWay. Mr. Jitesh, if you can unmute Rijosh.
Your ID by the name of Rijosh only, because even I'm trying to.
Yeah,
Rijosh George.
1 second. Rijosh
George. Rijosh, are you online, Rijosh? Just send me a text message. Chat message.
Rijosh, I got it.
Can you unmute him?
Yeah, I am doing that. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, Rijosh, you are online.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Sharif ji. Good afternoon,
Rijosh. How are you?
Good afternoon, Rijosh.
Yeah, doing good. How are you?
I would like to introduce Mr. Rijosh. Rijosh is US citizen. He is with us from the beginning, and he is one of our prominent distributors in the US. And he was the first person to use iWay in the US, and he's got very good testimonies. And I would like to request Rijosh to share with everybody your experience with regard to iWay.
Thank you, Sharif ji.
Yes, go ahead.
Good afternoon, friends.
Very good
So, during the launch of the IndusViva, we got some samples of iWay there, and one of my friends' wife used it. She was in her mid-60s. They got a very good testimony. After using one bottle of iWay, their varicose vein was completely gone. And now once it has been started here, now the manufacturing has been started here, we have been getting iWay regularly. And some of my friends have been using it. So 2 of them, my wife, she's a doctor here in orthopedics. So they have been treating COVID patients. And one of my friend here is a respiratory therapist. They operate the ventilators here. And there has been a lot of cases of corona patients coming. And they have been having some symptoms. So we were not sure whether it was the virus or not. But they've been taking this iPulse and IVS regularly for some time. So when they tested, it was negative. So we cannot be sure whether it has cured the corona, but the thing is like the immune system has fought with the thing, so it has been a good sign. And a lot of people have been having very good result. One of another testimony I have is one of my uncles. He is in his mid 50s. So this person was using medicines for cholesterol for a long time, and that had affected his nervous system. So he was unable to walk. There was big pain and everything. But using iPulse and then iWay, so he has been having a lot of relief. Now he is able to walk and everything. So a lot of people started using it and are having very good testimonies regarding that. And all the best to everyone.
Thank you, Rijosh. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
And if one of my, very, very prominent distributor in the US, Mr. Isaac, are you online? Isaac? Jiteshji, can you find Mr. Isaac?
Yeah, I'm searching.
ISHAQ.
Yeah, he is online.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get you. Ishaq, you are unmute now.
Ishaq?
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good, sir. How are you? Yeah,
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. So this is the guy, I think he's purchased over 50 bottles as of now. He's already purchased. Some of you can connect him on the Facebook and you can just check that he has posted a display of highway in front of him. He's purchased more than 50 products and he's promoting the product very well. And I would like to hear from you what exactly is product iWave and how your customers are treating you on this product. How are you getting a very good response from this product? Isaac, go on.
Yeah, hello friends. It's really very great. It's a very great product. It's really amazing product. I have, I have given to almost 16 people till now, and they are, I have given to most of my friends and families. At the same time, I have given most of the Americans too, and they are really getting some good results. And by myself, if I want to tell you, I had some kind of a digestive problem. So right now I'm feeling a little better for it. I'm really feeling very good. And also, I have given to Americans here. They are like the white people. So they also start using it, and they are also, they told me, they gave me their testimonies since they have been using for almost 15 days. So they have given me their testimonies that it is, it is working, man. The first time one person he told me, the white person over here, the Americans. So because actually since they don't know about Ayurveda, I'm trying to educate them about this. And when they were very much curious about what exactly it is. And then after they started using the product when I gave them. So after 15 days, they told me, I asked them, how you are feeling right now. So they already started telling me that, it's really good. The first time when they used it, they told me they were feeling a little active and, energetic. And, it is really working a lot. So I think I have to order one more. So I told that's really great. So again, I have ordered many products, I'm just trying to hand them over, So, man, believe me, it's getting, iWave is giving very good results, though. So I hope everybody should use it, and I hope, for the best in US, if everybody, start using it. So, even we are working here, our team is also working here very hard to, promote this and to educate people about the benefits of this wonderful product we have, iWave. Yeah, thanks, friends.
Most welcome. Thank you, Isaac. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you.
So any more question, guys? Any more questions you have? I think most of the questions you sent me is already answered. If somebody's question is missed out, you can just let me know and we can go ahead and answer that particular question. Like I said, hello, I am Omkar from Mumbai. Where do you see this company in the next 5 years? How can your company survive with just having 4 products? For this, I would like to tell you, Omkar, the 5 products what we have in India as of now are doing very well. And recently you might have seen some reports which has been, circulated on the social media. Indus Viva as a company is doing a great progress. We have 5 products as of now in India. With that 5 products is enough to take the market. Apple, is having very, very few products. iPad, iPhone, Mac, AirPods, Apple TV. And I don't have to tell you with these 5 products what wonders they are doing in the world. I think the answer is answered already. Okay, how Canadian person can place an order without sign up? See, if you are having a customer in Canada, you have to place an order so that he will get a delivery. Yeah, that's the thing. If you have a customer in Canada, he cannot get registered. You just have to place an order on behalf of him and he will get the product in Canada. Saurabh Vivek from Bhagalpur, Bihar. Repurchase every month needed? Yes, repurchase. Or if you sponsor anybody, personal turnover, that is also fine. As you said, we need to order minimum 4 for first order. If I have to supply to 4 different individuals in US from India, how is it possible? See, you have to tell them to use 4 products minimum. Because with one bottle, it is, if there are family of 3-4 people there and they take 60 ml every day, within 5 days, the bottle is going to get over. So you suggest them to order 4, then only they will be able to get the exact result. Or can we make social media marketing, Kinjal, on Facebook and Instagram? Yes, you can post on your Facebook and Instagram about iPay and people will join you definitely. Can I have an individual sponsor link where the placement is automatically on my extreme left or right? See, that is going to be a little bit tricky because we are working on it, but directly going on your left or right, because you have to place them according to who have referred them. That is the issues we are facing. But still we will work on that and our system will be on a continuous upgradation basis and we'll try and fix that. Uttarakhand, okay. Uttarakhand damage replacement also in USA? What is this question? I cannot understand. And how can Uttarakhand damage replacement come in USA? Still waiting, no answer. Pranav ji, what answer you want? Still waiting, no answer. Pranav ji, can you repeat what it is certified with in USA? Like I told you, iWay is an Indian product licensed in India. I can send you some screenshot of the product. It is being manufactured in a FDA registered facility. That is the certification is required for our product.
Sir, I got this question.
Is green card or USA citizenship mandatory for becoming? Yes. Without SSN and without a bank account, you cannot sign up here. Now I have find out another supplement. Another option. If you don't want to share your bank account, you can get paid to your PayPal account. What is the maximum order quantity?
Is replacement also available in USA? Let's say there is a product breakage.
Yes, there is a replacement available, but touch wood, whatever bottles I have dispatched in USA, only one bottle got broke in the case of Isaac. Isaac can just mention here. The rest of the shipments are absolutely perfect deliveries. There is no issues. And there is no replacement. If the bottle is broken, there is an insurance with the company, the UPS. The UPS is going to replace the bottle. Okay. What is the maximum order per day in USA? There is no maximum order quantity in USA. You can order how much ever you want. How can I order from India to Canada? India, if you are ordering in India, you just place an order. You can send us a mail to us@indianviva.com. We will place your order on your behalf and we'll ship it to Canada after you pay the shipping charges. I'm sorry, I didn't understand how someone in India can set up an ID in USA. Is a green card or a citizen mandatory for the person being sponsored in USA? Mr. Lakshmanan, if you are an Indian citizen, you can sponsor somebody who is a US citizen. I hope I'm clear on this. Or if you are working on a H1B in USA, because there is a limit for you to work there maybe for 3 years, 4 years and things like that. Because you're an Indian citizen, you can try log in your ID from India. You can register your ID from India. With that Indian ID, you can sponsor people in the USA and you can use the products in the USA. I hope I'm clear, Mr. Lakshmanan. Ajay, Raj Yadav, I didn't get any question from you. How much price for the Canadian? Once you give us the exact zip code, Mohit, and we will be able to give you the Canada shipping price. Neeraj Sharma, sir, Amazon Pay तो नहीं है USA में. Amazon Pay अभी तो नहीं है, लेकिन आ सकता है, क्योंकि what people do here is every MLM company's product in the US is sold on Amazon.com. अभी USA में ऐसा है कि आप product suggested retail price, it is called SRP. You can see our product is called suggested retail price here. Why suggested retail prices? अगर आप मेरे से 62.5 USD से खरीद रहे हैं, if you are purchasing at 62.5 USD from me, from the company, MRP suggested retail price is 75. You can even sell it at 100 USD. Nobody is going to undersell here. They will sell it at 150 or 100 USD. It is allowed here legally, but the difference tax, you have paid me 62.5. If you sell it at 100 USD, you have to pay the differential tax for that. If you are selling on Amazon, it is allowed. It is allowed to sell on Amazon Indus Viva products, but whatever pertaining the taxes are there, you are liable to pay it, because all the direct selling companies' products are already sold on Amazon. Sir, can I order Indian distributor Canada? I already answered this. Virendra Verma from Hyderabad. I want to know, those non-American are temporarily working there and do not have green card, may join with us. Yes, they can join with an Indian ID and they can start sponsoring people in the US. Do you have any awareness block? Very good question. We are going to create an awareness blog and a frequently asked question blog very soon, and you can just write there. How can a common man afford your product? Mr. Omkar. Mr. Omkar, see, today common man can definitely afford $50, because I just, in our office is located in Williams Tower. If somebody comes and parks their car here, the parking charges are 30 USD. In USA, frankly speaking, 50 USD is nothing. Is nothing actually. I just went for a haircut the other day. $100 is the haircut here. Before the lockdown, obviously, $100 is the haircut. And 62.5 USD for a product, a wellness product, Ayurved, it is nothing. Even a common man can afford it. You want to go and have a meal here in McDonald's or in KFC, minimum to minimum it is $20. And one chicken biryani here is $25, my friends. I think all of the Indians who are in USA, you know, I just ordered one chicken biryani from one very popular restaurant here in Houston, Agas, $25 and plus shipping charges and plus tip. Totally, it came to $38. I think if I can afford one chicken biryani, I can definitely afford one Ayurved for $62.5. There is no point in that. How can a common man? Okay, I already answered the question. With both the iCoffee taste introduced in USA and when it will be in USA, yes, exactly the same. The iCoffee is going to be exactly the same. Is it available in Germany? Not yet. Not yet. Whatever the document required to sign in USA, I already told you, SSN and bank account. Ayurved will be available in India. This is a very good question. We will come back to you on this. Is those store pickup facilities available in the USA? Yes, store pickup facility is available in the USA. If somebody wants to come in, walk into our office and pick up the products in Houston, it is allowed. H4B can join or not? H4B cannot join. H4B EAD can join. Employment authorization document can join. Can a person with a work authorization in USA become a distributor? Again, work authorization means it depends. H1, H1B, H1 EAD, it depends. You need to cross check with your, consular services. I'm Gurdeep Singh. Please answer me in Hindi, sir. How can I order a product from Canada, India to Canada? Gurdeep Singh ji, आप एक काम कीजिए. आपके आईडी से USA, जब आप प्लेस ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं तो USA कंट्री सेलेक्ट कीजिए. कंट्री सेलेक्ट करके शिपिंग एड्रेस, आपका बिलिंग एड्रेस इंडिया रहेगा और शिपिंग एड्रेस आप कनाडा बता दीजिए. जैसे ही आपका ऑर्डर प्लेस होता है, आप वो इनवॉइस को डाउनलोड कीजिए और USA@indusviva.com पे एक मेल भेजिए कि मैंने ये ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दिया है and this order I need to send it to Canada. Then we will revert. हम आपको बताएंगे कि उसका कितना additional cost है, and then you can go ahead and place the order. Will I get
additional cost भी इंडिया में डालनी पड़ेगी?
नहीं, अभी जितेश जी, when you try and place an order from your Indian back office, there is an option for you place order in India, place order in USA. You place order in USA, by the highway, invoice will be generated. You can mention the Canada shipping address there. And once the invoice is generated, you download the invoice and send it to us@indusweaver.com, mentioning that you want this particular order to be sent to the USA, Canada. Sorry. I hope I'm clear. Yeah.
People have asked that can they also send it to Germany? I saw one question. Is it possible?
Not required. No, as of now, we are not, shipping to Germany because US and Canada are, like Delhi and UP. There is no issue. We can send it. But Germany, we are not sure as of now because what is the regulation is required in the Germany. And as of now, we are not shipping to Germany.
Any other country apart from Canada, Sharif sir?
Apart from Canada, we can send it to Mexico.
Okay. Same process.
Same process. Is some person denied to share their SSN number, then can we have any substitute against SSN? No. Sandeep Bhardwaj, no, it is not possible because why this SSN is important, I will just highlight to you because whatever commission they are trying to earn from Indus Viva, जैसे कि India में, like India, when you are earning 10,000 rupees in India, you have to give your PAN card so that the company will deduct your 5% TDS and give you 9,500 in your account. But here in USA, if you are earning $1,000 as commission, we have to pay the entire $1,000 to them in their bank account. And we have to issue a form called 1099. जैसे कि आपको TDS certificate मिलती है उधर, like how you get a TDS certificate, here we will issue a form 1099 to you. So you get the form 1099, you have to go and file your returns. So without the SSN card, you cannot earn an income here. It is not possible. Without an SSN, you cannot join in Indus Viva. It is not only with Indus Viva, any direct selling business in USA, you cannot join without an SSN. If you want to take an electricity connection here, you need SSN. Without that, it is not possible. Just trying to explain to you the basic. UK not possible as of now. We cannot send products to UK. क्या हम इंडिया में उसका आईडी ओपन करके ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं? Yeah, sure, you can place. There is no issue. But that is not practically, I don't suggest that because their password, their account is their property and they have to do it. You teach them right from the beginning. You educate them right from the beginning how it has to be done. You can just go on a WhatsApp video call and you can just explain to them and life becomes easy. Don't make them dependent that you are placing the order on behalf of them. UK, no shipping. What is the top retailer criteria? We will send you the flip chart. In that, all the details are already mentioned. Billing on billing on DP in the USA, not on SRP. Is there a store pickup in Miami? No. Currently, we have only one office, registered office in USA, that is in Houston, Texas. No store pickup in Miami. Sir, plan to launch UK in coming days? Maybe. We will let you know. Product delivered in Brazil? No. Brazil, not it. Will Indus Viva start operation in Kenya? Maybe future, not at the moment. Are you planning to open a fulfillment center? See, actually, the shipping is so very simplified in the US. I don't think so Indus Viva requires any fulfillment centers to be opened across the other states. Because even to Indiana or California, which is a huge distance from Texas, the product is going and reaching in 2 days. I think Isaac, he got it in 2 days. He stays in Indiana and it is very far from Houston. It is like almost around 4-hour flight journey, but still it reached in 2 days. There is no issue. Not required to open a fulfillment center in any other states in US. Can you repeat the answer of my question? Please, when we will start getting the ordered products in India? Mr. Ashok, we will let you know because currently iPulse is already available in India. And if some of you want iWaith, we don't want to sell it officially in India because already a similar kind of product is there. But if you just want to use for yourself, maybe we can look into it. We will come back to you on this. Before sponsoring USA, does we have to clear before what is a citizenship? Yes, you have to get it cleared. He has to be a US citizen in order to get registered in USA. Canadian citizen cannot be joined. Billing in DP only. Sir, iWaith upgrade hai, iPulse say. इसमें ऐसा क्या है कि अपग्रेड किया गया है. आप you visit our website indusvivo.us. In the product column there is a video by Dr. Balu. You can just go through that and your question will be answered.
So there is one question here. That literature of Ayurveda, by what time it will be available? Like we have.
It is already ready with me. I'm just verifying. Maybe after this Zoom call, I will send it to all of you.
Great.
Can a person join from Canada? No, I already told you. Is there a US clip chart? Yes. US clip chart is available. Please contact your upline diamond. He will be able to give it to you. Any other company from India FLM launch in USA? No. There is no other company from India who has launched in the USA. I have not known so far. I don't know. And guys, I will tell you very, very clearly, no company can even do this. Believe me, because the kind of investment which is required to launch a company in the US. Believe me, friends, only IndusViva can do it. Nobody else can do it. And I don't know why people are not doing it, because it's not possible, I feel. Because even Reliance has not launched their operations in the USA. That answers it all. Before sponsoring USA, does we have to clear before? Okay, I have already answered that. Any process to show business presentation by panel in USA if you recommend to prospect? See, you can request your upline black diamond or a diamond. They will organize a Zoom call and you can ask them to join and your diamond can present the plan. Like how Sumit did today, you can just ask your upline diamond. He will also be able to help you on this. Suraj, can we get Ayurveda here in India? We will let you know on this, Suraj. We will definitely let you know on this. Okay. So what about Ayurveda certifications, clinical trials? Clinical trials is already in process. We will share with you at the earliest as soon as it is ready. But certifications, like I told you, the only criteria is it has to be manufactured in a FDA registered facility, which is already done, which is already completed. So I think the questions are over. Working days in USA is Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Currently, we are working from home because there is little, work restrictions here. Very limited people has to come and things like that. So hopefully in the next 1 or 2 weeks it will be much better. Ayurveda taste is same like iPulse. Yes, almost 90% is same. VOP available in USA. Yes, digital VOP is available. Mr. Gagan Pant, you can ask Mr. Jitesh Pant. He will host a VOP for you in the USA. If someone comes to US office, is there anyone who can explain him about the business? Yes, definitely. We have our executive, Mr. Boas, who will be explaining to them about the opportunity. They can come to office, there is no issue, but they have to take appointment in prior. Recently, USA में order place हो रहे हैं, हाँ, बहुत order place हो रहे हैं. What is the process for damaged products? Don't worry about damaged products. There is no damage in USA. And I think everything is foolproof here. iCoffee, as we know, might be available after lockdown. Any chances other Indian products? As of now, only Ayurveda is available. iCoffee will be launching at the later stage. Other products maybe in the coming years. Can we get this presentation, please? Yes, definitely. Mr. Ashok Singha, you can contact your upline diamond. He will be able to mail you the presentation. Any Ayurveda video uploaded in YouTube? Ayurveda video is already present on our website. indusviva.us products tab, it is already available. Can we get a digital catalog of Ayurveda? Yes, we will be sending it to you and you can just use it. Clinical trials need to be published because people are asking for safety related info. Yes, definitely we are going to do it. Because of the lockdown in India, it is getting a little delayed, but definitely we are going to do that soon. What are the destination for tour rewards for our USA distributors? Tour rewards for USA distributors, as of now, we have not determined because we just started the business and we will definitely inform all of you with regard to this very soon. Because definitely USA people, because the people who qualified for Ruby fly-in from here, when I offered before, the Ruby fly-in was already postponed because of COVID-19. I offered to our people to come. They said, no, sir, we are not interested to come to Bangkok because they have to travel almost around 18-20 hours to reach Bangkok and they are not interested. So we have to definitely look for exotic locations like Hawaii and there is no other options. Is there any logic behind the long neck bottle of Ayurveda? Why major difference in iPulse and Ayurveda looks, sir? The logic behind the bottle is the availability of the bottle. The availability of the bottle in the US. That particular bottle was not available in the US, and also because in India, you know that Indus Viva is having our own manufacturing facility. We can manufacture any kind of a bottle processing, and we have the capability. But in US, as of now, we have to depend on US FDA registered facility. So that's the reason we can generally go for standard bottles.
Sharif sir.
Yes.
Sharif sir.
Yes.
Someone asked the question in the chat. I think he missed, or she missed actually. She just, said one question in Viva USA, our WhatsApp group, that my question is, my friend is there in Miami.
Okay.
He has a store there stuffed with Indian products.
Okay.
Can he sell these products in his store in Miami?
Definitely he can do that. He has to become a distributor of Indus Viva. Once he becomes a distributor of Indus Viva, he places the order. He can buy the products, keep it in his store, and he can personally sell it to any of his customers. There is no issue in that. He can sell it. As long as he is a distributor of Indus Viva, he can do it, but he cannot officially display the product because the direct selling guidelines here are very, very stringent. He can just keep it in his store in a personalized place, and any of his clients are coming, he can give it to them. Same like India. Due to lockdown, we are not getting products others when courier start in Viva products. Now in India, I think the courier is already started. Many people are already getting the products. You can get in touch with your upline Diamond with Ashok, and he will be able to help you.
Sharif sir, see in India, the courier service has started, but there are some red areas where the company is still unable to courier the products, and it is not in the hands of Indus Viva. It is the hands of government only.
Government authorities.
Yeah,
that's the reason I mentioned him. He can get in touch with his upline for any emergency requirement. They will be able to chip in and help him at this point of time.
Sir, Sharif sir, one more question from one.
Not possible. Yes, Vijay, I missed your question.
Any Indian citizen at Canada on work permit or prior can join, sir? Any Indian citizen? No.
All right. It is very clear. Indian citizen on work permit in Canada has to join an Indian ID. He can always join an Indian ID. There is no issue on that.
Thank you, sir.
If I want to know shipping charge of postal card N2A01A, we will check and we will come back to you, Mr. Mohit. We have to check with the UPS team on this costing.
Sharif sir, one question.
Yeah. Tell me,
Sharif sir, whosoever is doing business as of now, in which week this business will start reflecting?
Okay. Like I told you very clearly in the beginning of the month, so now we are already accepting offline orders, and we will compute that orders in the month end, that is in last week of April. Once that is processed, hopefully, if everything goes well, we will be able to pay commissions in the first week of May.
So that means as of now, maybe which week it will go, maybe will come later, maybe in a day or two, or maybe
in the next week. Maybe in the next week.
Thank you so much, Sharif sir.
What if someone is a green card holder? They can join. Yes, definitely they can join. Sir, please tell about acceptance of a new network marketing company in USA. See, acceptance of a new network marketing company in USA, everybody has their market share. Everybody has, their way of doing the business. And everybody has a market. Because before even Indus Viva launched in the USA, people were already buying products, iPulse, iCopy from India, and they were using it. So you see the kind of response what we are getting in USA right now, I think it actually answers the question. For every company, there is a market space, and there is a market. Its market is open for everybody. Why iWay launched in USA as iWay, not as iPulse? Because like I told you very clearly, here the need of the R is Ayurveda. Ayurveda is going to be the trend in the next decade in USA, because people are more attracted towards Ayurveda here. People are more attracted towards yoga. If I go to my gym in my apartment, most of the people are doing yoga there. Most of the people are using Ayurvedic products here. So looking, even the UK Prime Minister, I don't know whether it is genuine news. They treated with him in Ayurveda products. That's the reason Ayurveda. Ayurveda के बाद की Indian industry के products कब launch होंगे? We will come back to you, Mr. Jashanpreet, on this. As of now, we are selling Ayurveda. Very soon, we are going to launch iCoffee, and other things will come back to you. How can I place order in USA? UAE, not at the moment, please. We are not planning to launch in UAE. I'm Kawaljeet Singh from Hoshiarpur. Can I place ID for people living on R1? No, not possible on R1. They need to be a citizen.
Sharif sir?
Yes.
Sir, one question from one of our distributor that how many days an ID remains active in the US for keeping an ID active? Minimum product to be ordered is 4 only?
4 only. 4 only. The same rules and regulation what is there in the Indian compensation plan. In India, you have to buy minimum 1 product. Here it is 4 product. That's it. The rest of the rules and regulations remain the same. I hope I'm clear, Sumit ji.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Any more question, guys?
Do we have something called PCM in US?
As of now, PCM is not there. But we have to see if PCM is really required because there is no restriction like the Indian guideline doesn't allow people to, stock up more products. So here there is no criteria as such. So it is not required as of now to go into PCM mode. Then still we will come back to you on this. Any report from USA-based institution or agency that other FDA in recommending Ayurveda with analysis from a marketing standpoint? Mr. Guru, any report from USA-based institution or agency that other FDA in recommending? I'm not getting this question. See, the only criteria to sell any product in the USA is we have to ensure that it is manufactured in a US FDA registered facility. Because it already takes care of all the other things. If it is a US FDA facility, you can imagine that what kind of SOPs and procedures they follow. So it is already taken care. See, if example, if you apply for a passport, if passport is already approved, then you don't have to question the integrity of the passport. Like that it is. Why is Ayurveda better than iPulse? What are the differences? Ayurveda is an advanced Ayurveda formula, and because it is something to do with Ayurveda, and Ayurveda is respected here in the United States, it is Ayurveda. Can we deliver products to Australia? Not possible as of now. Not possible as of now.
Sir, there is one question. Is there BOTM available in the US?
No, BOTM is also not available because as of now, we just have started, like I told you, in the next coming 3 months or 6 months, we will see if there is real requirement of a PCM or an BOTM coming to picture. Because see, BOTM is launched in India only because of the shipping difficulties. If you see, BOTM is an option to ensure that you buy the product and you service your people. Because that service already UPS is providing. So instead of doing a service of BOTM, you can focus on your business because the product is very smoothly and hassle-free getting shipped to all the 50 states in USA.
Sharif sir, I just wanted to answer my friend's question that why Ayurveda is better than iPulse. See, Ayurveda, we have never said that Ayurveda is better than iPulse. We've always said that Ayurveda is a different formulation than iPulse.
Absolutely.
It is not better than iPulse basically. In fact, it is iPulse as you know that in iPulse we have different testimonies in India and in Nepal. So both are the similar products, but in Ayurveda there is something called advanced Ayurveda which we implemented, which we used basically. That's it.
Because like I told you, just adding one point to Dr. Sumit Batra, because Ayurveda is in demand in the United States of America. As all of you know, Ayurveda is respected here. So we have added some Ayurvedic ingredients in order to project the product as an Ayurvedic product in the USA so that what people need, we give it to them. Rather than we give what we want to give, what people require will create a marketplace. Sir, plus 12 plus 1 free product not available in USA. Viva Victor, testimonies are available in USA. Yes, two people have just shared the testimonies, and if any more testimonies are coming in, definitely we will share it with you. So what I suggest is for all the USA distributors, like how we have many WhatsApp groups in India, we will be setting up a WhatsApp group for all the distributors at this point of time. Then we can categorize rank wise. So we will be setting up a WhatsApp group for free communication, and we will add all of you. If you give authorization, you can just accept that, and then we will share regular updates and testimonies. And when you also get some updates and testimonies, you can also start sharing, and we can get going on this particular thing. So we will make the process of creating a WhatsApp group. There we can start exchanging information on the testimonies you receive and we receive. We will be sharing it in that.
Sharif sir, excuse me. One of our distributor has just asked one question that can any Indian ID can be converted to US ID later on if he is a citizen there after that?
Yes, yes, it is possible, because if you are registered already with India and tomorrow you are going to get going to become a citizen of USA, I don't know practically how it is going to materialize, because I don't know how many people who are already in India, they are going to become citizens in the USA tomorrow. See, like there is a possibility those people who are working on a H1B here for over 6 to 7 years, I mean, they are Indian citizens, and when they apply for a green card, they become US citizens. At that point of time, any possibility of that kind is happening, definitely we will look into that. There is no issues in that. Any more questions? Mr. Suraj, it is possible to India government or ICMR should recommend the IPLs for those who are affected with COVID-19. No, it is not possible at the moment. At the moment, I don't think so that is possible. People living on R1 visa have a social security number. But see, the people living on R1 visa have a social security number, Mr. Kawaljeet Singh, but you need to check whether they are allowed to do any employment, because see, students who are studying here, they are not allowed to work outside the campus, and they are not allowed to earn an income. Like people who are working on H1 also, they are not allowed to any other income. So you need to check with the R1 visa consular service if they are allowed to make any income out of their employment or out of their education. You can check with them. Is there any possibility of coming to America on work basis in future? Yes, you can apply for a B1 visa. If your visa is getting approved, you can just walk in. There is no issue in that. Like my mom and dad is an Indian citizen and they just received the green card. So what do you think should we do now? You can just sponsor them and they can log into and they can become a member of US. There is no issue. Once they have become a green card, they will have an SSN number and they can join. There is no issue. Mr. Sandeep, some distributors manipulate the product selling skills in the COVID-19. Does they do right? Like we all know, it's a wellness product and we are not taking any guarantee. As you already know, if somebody are doing it, you need to stop them. As a company, the compliance department will definitely take action on that. We don't recommend that. Can sell at product store in USA, Mr. Lakwinder Singh, you need to become a distributor of Indus Viva in the US. You can buy the product and you can sell to individuals. Selling in a store, the same guidelines like in India. Because see, I know a lot of Indians who are living in the US are having a provision, are having a grocery store and things like that. As per the direct selling guidelines of the USA, it is not allowed to sell direct selling products on a retail platform. Can someone with Indian ID but staying in USA sell products in USA? Yes, they can do, but someone in USA with an Indian ID, they can use the product, they cannot sell, I believe. They cannot sell. And they can sponsor people, but they cannot sell, they can just use it. Because those who are in H1 visa, as per the rules, they are not allowed to earn any income apart from their employer. So that it is not applicable. Can someone with Indian ID but staying in USA sell product in USA? Payout will happen to Indian account. Yes, those who are on Indian ID, if they sponsor people in the US, whatever volume is generated, they can pay and they can use the products, it's absolutely perfect. There is no doubt in that. Any more questions, guys?
One more question from one of our distributor, Mr. Manish Saxena.
Yes.
If an Indian person booked a USA distributor in India,
Okay.
when the commission comes into our account, and what would be the tax rate of deduction in India? And is there any specific rates of tax as we are getting the commission in dollars?
No, no. See, if you are an Indian citizen, though you are sponsoring people in US, your income will be calculated on GBU basis of India only. So whatever tax applicable in India, that only will be deducted. See, assuming, let me give you an example. Out of the 2000 PV generated in your income side, if 500 PV have come from USA, it will not make any difference for you whether the PV has come from India or USA. Still, as per the compensation plan India, you will be getting paid for the PV generated in USA, and as per the tax applicable, it will be deducted. That's it. There is no complication. There is no any other issues in that. Sir, my parents are distributor in India and they are going to USA, to my sister's place, got visa. Can they get their product there? Yes, they can get. There is no issue in this. They can order from India to USA and mention their daughter's address, sister's address, and they can get it. There is no issue. Mr. Neeraj Sharma, they can order. Ayurved has halal or any other certification also. See, actually, halal and kosher certification is not mandatory here in the US as of now. Mr. Iqbal Singh, it is not mandatory because, see, as you know already that Ayurved or IPULS, it is not having any ingredients which is non-halal. It is halal and it is kosher. There is no animal products used in this particular thing. So in USA it is not mandatory. In India it is mandatory. That's the reason IPULS is halal. As of now, it's not required. My ID virtual office is not enabling us to place order in the US. The URL itself is in India, indusviewer.com. Hence, how can I place order? See, once you select India, log into India, when you select the country USA, it will take you to the US website. But like I told you, it will be active in next 2 weeks. You just have to hold on for that and we will make it live. Ashok Gupta, sir, my USA team leader, Indu Singh, want to come in US office. Yes, she can come in. Once this lockdown formality are relaxed, she can send a mail to us@indusviewer.com. She can fix an appointment. She can come. Definitely, there is no issue. She can just send a mail to US, or once this lockdown formalities are completed and it's relaxed, she can call even to our US office and she can definitely make an appointment and she can visit. Yes, guys. Any more questions? So what I request you to do is to conclude. I would like to highlight some more points for those of you who have missed out. Currently, we can use the social media platforms in order to talk to our people. I request all the diamonds and all the leaders who have a team in the US to frequently connect with your team members on a Zoom call or any social media platform, whatever is available. Explain to them and start doing VOPs and start doing NDOs so that they understand the procedure. See, comparatively, the US crowd is more independent crowd and it's a more mature crowd. Because see, as a company, we didn't face any difficulties here in the US because everybody is hands-on. As soon as you tell them, immediately they go and place an order. There is no issue. There is no KYC updations required. KYC is not mandatory. Everything is free flow and everything is happening at, a click of a button. Everything is happening very fast. And also, a lot of our friends from Nepal have sponsored a lot of people in the US. And they are also doing a very good job. They are sponsoring people and people are just placing an order and product is getting delivered. Some of my friends asked me Nepal friends asked me that can I place an order from Nepal to USA and USA to Nepal? At this moment, that is not possible. Only India is possible. And once things are becoming more clear, we will try and come back to you later once we are ready with that particular thing. So all the diamonds and all the participants who are present in this Zoom call. I would like to thank you for your interest and for your time to attend this Zoom call. I would like to request all of you to start doing more calls in order to start speaking to your people in USA. Guys, doing business in USA with a Zoom call or any social media platform is as easy as doing business in India. Please remember one thing,